Hey, every day different bad stories. Every day, what is going on? But wait, oh, is it really possible to use diabolic means to tie person spirit until the person go buy physical? Because I don't do the hear them. And now waiting happen for this video now where I want to explain for now. Now this now waiting happen for Igbo Ukwu. Igbo Ukwu na town waiting for Agwata local government area in Anambra state. They say one late Mr. Godwin Moore married this woman. Some of the villagers are saying that he did not pay her dowry. Some say he paid her dowry. But the story is that before the man died, he had an issue. He had issues with this woman and they divorced. This woman returned back to her family. But before that, this one already had a son for the man. And the man, before the man died, the man got married to another woman. And this woman gave birth to one daughter and two sons for the man. Now, when the man died, the son of this woman, with some elders, they went to their village and made peace with her mother's family. And he brought her mother back to her father's house, which is the compound of late Mr. Godwin Moore. They said that when this woman came back, it just be like saying a devil they just brought back. This woman started going to native doctor, doing fetish things against her co-wife. She did it until the co-wife died. They said that she by the co-wife. Before you know what is happening again, the only daughter of the co-wife, they said this woman also by her diabolically. Now, what now brought this current issue now is that the eldest son of the co-wife, they said that the guy died July this year. And now still this same woman by the guy diabolically, remaining the only surviving son where the man now, just 15-year-old boy. That is the only surviving child of the late co-wife. So this woman now, according to them now, she have diabolically by the co-wife daughter, and the co-wife son. Now, before you know what is happening, they got her arrested. When they arrested her, she confessed that she's not the only one doing it, that she's doing these atrocities with the help of her own sister's son, who is living in Ojoto, by name Okechukwu. Now the police went and arrested Okechukwu. They arrested both of them. Now on the 2nd of this month, the late co-wife's son, that this woman died diabolically, was laid to rest. After they laid him to rest, they said that the family of the woman started making peace with the husband's family. And after the peace talk and everything, instead of the matter to go to court, they now reconciled. On the 6th of this November, they released this woman. She came back to the village. When she came back, both to the Umuada, the elders of the village, the youth in the village, they all gathered and said that they don't want this woman in the village again. They have to banish this woman out of the village. Now, they banished her and told her that for the next 7 years, they don't want to see her anywhere around Igbo Ukwu. This woman agreed. This thing now waiting happen on the 6th. They banished her on the 6th. Now, after banishing this woman, they said that this woman sneaked in yesterday, being 10th of November. This woman sneaked into the compound, into the late husband's compound again. And they saw her with some fetish item in the grave of the late co-wife's son that they just buried on the 2nd. They saw her with some fetish items, which you will also see in this video now. So I want you to watch the video and listen to the woman as she's giving explanation of what happened. Thank you.
Saturday garaga ke belu le ke da fan ke mu ka he belu okay onye why na manya onye ka na aza ebe mmụọ ka nya nwa bo ekele nwa nwụrụ anwụ ya kewuru the boy okay nye ngwa jwa jana ma mutagi gonje ekele nwa onye kpọrọ nya ha ka ta nwa nwoke onye kpọzi oke ịnọkwa mgbe oke ahụ bịa ịnọ ikwu oge na na-ekwu a na-eke nwa ahụ bụritere ihe gbara oke mmụọ ka bụ onye ebe onye ojoto dị nwa bụ onye ebe onye Umuoji ga-eziko ka esi wee lute ebe dịrị bịa kegbuo mmadụ nne oke tọrọ gị nwa ka onye kpọrọ oke o ji obi ebe a oke obi ebe a nwaanyị na-eme anya oke obi beghị ebe a ka ezi ọ bịara ebe eme wee kegbuo mmadụ ka ihe ọ bịara ebe eme
nne ya na-eje crusade na oge eme kwesịa na
nne ngwa nwe ihe na-ajụjụrụ adị
ihe ọzọ nna ajụ m ọbụ mgbe ahụrụ oke bịarụbeghị na-eke nwa ahụ ọgbara ịnọkwa ikwu ogono mgbe ahụ ọ na-eke nwa ahụ ọ bụ ike ịgba ya ịnọ n'iru ahụ ọ na-eke ya ebe ịnọ na ya na-eke ịgbara mụ na gị ọdụ mma ọfụma mmadụ nwere ike ime nke ihe mmadụ